Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the die size and arbor fit the workpiece. This prevents cross-threading. Once done, clamp the part square in the vise so the thread start is exposed about 0.5 to 1 millimeter. Then mount the cutting die on the machine, tighten the arbor, and set a low spindle speed to limit chatter. Apply cutting oil liberally. It cools the cut and carries swarf away. Make the first light pass to seat the die. Don't force it. Once the die is seated, engage the feed and maintain steady axial pressure so threads cut evenly. As you proceed, back the tool off every 1 to 2 turns to break chips and reapply lubricant. This prevents clogging and reduces heat. If the machine allows, make fine depth adjustments after each pass to approach final size gradually. Make sure to monitor concentricity with an indicator or a quick go/no-go gauge check, because a small misalignment now means scrapping. You finish by stopping the feed, retracting the die, and deburring the thread. Start with a file or light chamfer to prevent contact damage. Clean chips with compressed air and solvent, then perform a final gauge check for pitch diameter and run out to confirm tolerance. If threads look rough or bind, decrease the feed, add fresh lubricant, and reseat the die. This usually cures chatter or pickup. Finally, document settings for repeatability so your next run starts correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.